Well, hey everybody. Chris Young, Gander RV and Outdoors. Sorry, I was outside checking out the exterior kitchen of this beautiful 2020 Keystone Bullet 330 VHS. I'll show you that here in a minute. But the first thing that I noticed when I come in, the beautiful flagstone decor inside this travel trailer. Now, Bullet was the original, and it was built by Keystone for this reason, to be the luxury, lightweight travel trailer. And you're gonna see that all the way throughout. As a matter of fact, we're gonna start a little bit differently. I'm gonna go through the bathroom, which we see I got hangers right here. I come in, the Neo angle shower, absolutely beautiful, residential. I got the solid glass doors. Let's see how the headroom is. All right, now being 6'2", having this, which is a skylight as well as a vent fan, really helps. I'm not that crowded. You still might need to crouch, but I got room left to right. I got the corner notches as well as the shower handle right there. Single bowl on the vanity with the brushed nickel fixture. Power port, mirrored medicine cabinet with the raised lip, making sure that, you know, whatever I have in there while it's in transit isn't going to be bouncing around. Got storage underneath. Plus here on the plastic bowl with the foot flush, I got plenty of room. I am not cramped. Gonna go over here to the master bedroom. Now the bathroom is a pass-through for the master because I got a solid pocket door here, and Bob has a solid door for him to come in right there. And if you notice, walk around queen size bed. I love the storage options that we have here because not only do I have the mirrored ward on both sides, I got the pull-out drawer, full extension on the ball bearings, brushed nickel fixtures on these solid shaker style cabinets, which you're going to see all the way around this travel trailer. Queen bed, storage underneath. Over here on this side, this is what I love. We have a laundry chute. So if you got the beach trip, the fishing trip, whatever, you got the dirty gear, you get done hiking, you don't want that dirty stuff inside the camper, throw it there. I got a lip with the LED reading light here, giving me a shelf up top. But Bob, see if you can get over there in that corner. Take a look behind the storage, because we have pre-drilled holes up top, dual USB charging ports and power ports on both sides. Fantastic spot if you wanted a CPAP machine, reading light, if you want to store a plant back there. Shoot, the stuff that you don't want the kids playing with, that's a good spot to have it. So we've seen the master. What do you say we go check out the rest of the camper? Can you keep up? Blair Witch. Okay. We walk into the living room, and having the opposing slides is really what helps us give the space to this camper, but also allows us to have this beautiful island kitchen with the continuous seamless countertops with the molded edges. Got a brushed nickel high-rise faucet. Gonna remove this cutting board cover and see the large deep well stainless steel farmhouse style sink that is undermounted. I even have a charging port that pops up right here. So if you want to make this your coffee station, or if you need to plug in, you know, whatever, you could right there, plus charge your cell phones. Those shaker style cabinets with the beautiful brushed nickel fixture. Plenty of storage on this unit. This 330 BHS, you are not going to be lacking for style and storage. I mean, just take a look at all the room that we have here. Solid wood on these drawers. Got the ball bearing, full extension. Come over here to my prep area. This could also be a good coffee station too, because I do have a power port right here under the microwave. But the shaker style cabinets give me even more storage. I got the range right, or the hood right here. Flush mounted 3-burner Furion stovetop with the glass cover and grill grates. I got the LED accent lights on the controls here from our Furion oven and burners. More storage underneath there. I got a large stainless steel fridge. Take a look at this. Look at the space in here. This runs on both gas and electric, does have the automatic switch, but a fantastic spot for those long weekends or those week trips, or if you want to set this up as a hunting cabin, beach cabin, whatnot. As I make my way over to the entertainment center, look at the frosted glass inlays of these shaker style cabinets with the light behind it. Yes, that's used for storage, but since this is also your entertainment area, and I like how the TV is on the swivel arm so you can view it easily from wherever you go. I got my shelf right here, component storage there, Furion AM/FM control center right there, as well as USB. More storage underneath that does control the dual zone speakers here, which is a very nice thing to have. More storage right here. Now that to me, yes, that could be a pantry, but that to me is going to be a great grab and go spot. Backpacks, water bags, the whole nine. But coming into the living room slide, take a look at this. Beautiful space. I got a leather sofa. Which reduces into a bed. I got large bay windows. I got windows on both sides of the slide. I got USB charging ports on both sides of the slides. You open those up, get the air coming in. That's going to be a great night's sleep. I got storage underneath my booth dinette on both sides. This does reduce down into a sleeper as well, giving me a great spot to just reconnect with the family. But I mean, think about it. When was the last time you got out and had fun, enjoyed a good meal with the family, played some board games, just enjoyed each other's company and reconnected with your loved ones? That's going to be a great spot for it. And then when you're done with all of that and you want to send the kids to their room, they have their own bunk room. Check it out. Solid door separates them from all the fighting and yelling and you. This unit has a dual air conditioner. We got a 13,500 and a 15,000 BTU air conditioner plus a 30,000 BTU furnace. So this room right here has its own quick cool AC right there. 300-pound capacities on these double over double bunks here on the rear camp side. Take a look at the space and the plushness of these mattresses. Plus I have some storage underneath. Solid mounted ladder right here. Dual USB charging ports plus power ports up top, windows on the corner and the back, up top and below. Plus I got the storage notches up here. This is where the kids are gonna love to go. Or if you're doing the ladies trip or the guys trip, this is where people are gonna go. It's gonna be a great spot. Well, Chris, what about the TV? You're camping, why do you need the TV? But you got one right here if you want it. You got a mounting bracket, plus your connections and power ports right there. A little mini shelf, some storage here and there. Plus I got storage right here, which is either, you know, kind of like a shelf or a wardrobe because you can remove those. I have my own access point, which is great, especially if you have the older kids and you want to do the beach. They want to stay out there a little bit longer. They absolutely can. And when they come in, they can get cleaned up in their own half bath. Yes, the 330 BHS has a half bath in the bunk room. Plastic bowl with the foot flush. A lot of countertop space here with the single vanity brushed nickel fixture. Medicine cabinet of their own with the raised lip. And some storage underneath right there. So if you want what I like to call the double apartment RV, this is going to be a fantastic option for you and the family because the space, the style, the comfort, the whole nine. You got room to sleep 8+ in this travel trailer and room to entertain whoever you want to entertain. This is a reconnection travel trailer right here if I've ever seen one. But we've seen the inside of the 2020 Keystone Bullet Ultralight 330 BHS. Let us take a gander at the outside. So here we are on the outside, the 2020 Keystone Bullet 330 bunkhouse. Now I want to start right up front. Having this power tongue jack with the LED light, it's a fantastic thing to have on any travel trailer. It's really going to help with the setup and tear down. Twin 20-pound LP tanks, mini diamond plated rock guard. I got the molded one-piece fiberglass end cap with the LED running lights, which not only adds a beautiful appearance to this camper, but the insulation there and the way that they made it really helps with the lightness of this travel trailer. I got the magnetic anti-slam doors here on the pass-through storage. And if you take a look here at the pass-through storage, look at the space that we have. This is a great spot for all of those beach chairs, towels, the equipment, hunting gear, fishing gear, and I even have a pegboard. So if you got those premier fishing rods or those premier rifles, that's gonna be a great spot to put them so you don't have to have them bouncing around getting injured. Underneath, you're gonna see we got the power leveling jacks in the front and the rear. I'll show you the commands for those here in a minute. Beautiful fiberglass exterior. Tinted safety glass all the way around this thing. 19-foot awning with the LED lights. Got the dual zone speakers. Extra large grab handle for coming in and out as well as being a door guard. Plus solid steps. Those are just great features as well. Come around to the slide right here. This is the kitchen slide. TV mounter Because if you want to do some outside entertaining, why not? You got a 19-foot awning to cover everything up. Absolutely. Power source here and Key TV multi-source connection. The Key TV is just a great thing to have because it ties all of your entertainment connections into one spot and you're not chasing cables. Take a look at this double axle travel trailer here. 15-inch aluminum wheels, got the Dexter Easy Lube axles with that extra wide berth under there, which is going to help with the suspension while going down the road. Black tank flush, external shower with both hot and cold. This is the entrance into the bunk room, which having that is just great, especially if you have the kids and they're out. They want to go stay at the beach a little bit longer. They have their own way to come in. Now, the exterior kitchen, let's say you do go on that fishing trip, you get a good catch. This is a great spot to do the cooking. You can do your prep here. You even got a little mini hot point fridge, but a great spot to do the outside grilling, cooking, the whole nine. You're not tracking that stuff inside the house. There's my spray nozzle there for the exterior spray port, which is right here on the back. And I got my 4x4 sewer hose storage as well. Spare tire mount. There's the bunk room windows there for that beautiful bunk room. Got the arched ceilings on this, making sure that those elements, the rain, the snow, the whole nine, that doesn't stay on top. And those 3-inch nozzles are gonna make sure it doesn't fall on you or the slides. Coming around, I got my 50-amp plug right here. And we got our black tank flush right underneath. That's a good spot. Have a solo black tank flush. Got the True Fit slide right here. This is the living area. And come around to the other side. And this is where you're gonna find the gray tank and the other black tank port right there. Now, I'd mentioned the exterior command center. This is where we're gonna have the power leveling jacks. There they are right there. Plus I got a battery disconnect. There's my Key TV connection. Freshwater, city water, black tank flush, and spray port right there if you needed to use it. The other side of the pass-through storage. But the most important thing with any travel trailer, the info panel. For example, unloaded weight for this one, 7,100 pounds. Gross vehicle weight, 8,600 pounds. That's where you want to talk to your specialist at Gander RV and Outdoors and say, hey, what does that mean? Here's what my here's what my truck can tow. Is this the right travel trailer for me? But if you're a family that's looking to sleep, 8 people or more, and you want that space, you want that style and that comfort, all those amenities, this is a fantastic lightweight travel trailer for you to check out. The 2020 Keystone Bullet 330 BHS. But please leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think of this travel trailer. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Because I love hearing from you. I'm Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you soon. And as always, come check out a camper. They're fun.